Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here, and I'm here with my cash routine. So before I get started here, I want to go through the usual stuff. If you want any of the information in spreadsheet format or my routine interactive format where you can see what devices are doing what the setup looks like even, and what those devices are more specifically, you can check the links below. It's just TheTechSlugs.com/routine. I'll have all the resources I'm going through in this video there. You might see me put up the interactive chart at times to help explain certain things on what's going on with my routine. But other than that, we'll just go ahead and get started here. The first apps on this list that I'm always using to make money are the Swagbucks apps. I did drop down to only 2 of them, and they are Swagbucks TV and Entertain Now. They're both Swagbucks apps. So with that, I'm making about $15 a month with each of those. The next app on the list is a new one that we haven't seen, and it's actually a fairly new app overall, and that's Cash Magnet. This one I'm making anywhere $1 to $2 a day, which is $30 to $60 a month. I'm using 4 phones on this one. I still haven't made a dedicated video about it, but I did mention it in my top 5 passive apps video earlier this year. Checkpoints is another one that I'm getting rid of. I wouldn't recommend you use it. It's only $5 to $10 a month, and I'm using it on 9 devices. A few of those devices are my LG, I think they were called FHOAWKs. Yeah, I can't even remember. It's been so long since I bought them. LG Sunrises. These are very out-of-date phones. They can't do much, so I just had them on checkpoints. And then a few Moto E's that I'll probably be switching because as you can see, the per device earning for this one is very bad. And the next apps are the perk apps. These are doing very well for me. I'm earning anywhere from $100 to $150 a month with these, and I'm using about 7 devices on this. This includes Perk Word Search, Perk TV Live, and Perk TV. The next app on the list is Rewardable TV, which I'm still using. A lot of these earnings are actually coming from the website of Rewardable. Rewardable's website's pretty good. I would recommend that. I just threw it in on the spreadsheet, the same category. And with that, I'm earning anywhere from $7.50 a month all the way up to $30. These are by far my biggest apps. YooLotto and UTV, I'm using 20 phones on these. The reason they're together on the spreadsheet is because you can't track the earnings separately. UTV just goes directly into your YooLotto balance, and it doesn't even show the YooLotto balance on the UTV app currently. The next one is also YooApp, so by the same company, but a different balance and a different system, and it's called YooRewards. I'm using a few devices on this, and this is $7.50 to $30 a month. Inbox dollars is really consistent though. The way it works now is you watch videos and then you do scratch offs, and you earn for doing those scratch offs. Just one device, and that's $15 a month. AdFund is the next one that I consider consistent. It's really not consistent day to day, but for the past 2 months I've been able to get a $25 gift card from it. So I put $12.50 because every 2 months it's like I'm making half that every month, and that's only on 1 device with AdFund. AppZone and AppLike, these are those passive apps that pay you to download. I mentioned in my top 5 passive apps video earlier this year. Both of these are about the same for me, and I just have them on my newer Moto E's. It's anywhere from $10 to $20 a month. Pretty passive, but you do have to check it every once in a while. The next section of the spreadsheet is websites, and I'm still using EarnHoney, of course. That's about $75 to $125 a month for me, and I'm using that on multiple devices. It's quite similar to my EarnHoney routine that I posted a while back. I really haven't changed much with EarnHoney as far as device usage. And CoinMe is $20 to $30 a month for me. QMe is another small one on this list. You just install it in your browser and you get money for when you shop for things online. And I get anywhere from $3 to $9 a month with this one. EarnGG and Earnably are the next 2 on this list, and they earn about the same because they're about in the same category. These are both Engage Me TV selections that I use to earn money with that. And with that, it brings us anywhere from $400 to somewhere around $900 a month. So that is my routine. I'm on the upper end this month because it is June. I always make these routine videos at good times for when it's good to make money with smartphones and computers. June and December tend to be the best. A few other things, if you want more information about each of these apps on the spreadsheet, you can click the name of the app in the source section, and from there it'll take you to an archives listing with both user curated information about the app as well as other information, what you're allowed to use with it, TOS information, as well as earning limits. And then you can also check out the information or video reference section where I've made videos on most of these apps. Cash Magnet is an exception, no dedicated video yet. But yeah, most of them I have something out there on the channel already for them. So that's it for this routine video. The income dropped a lot since last time. Later this week I will have a video out about this. I just want to talk about it, give my thoughts on it, as well as some advice, given that I have done this for a few years, what I think overall. So stay tuned for that. I'll probably put a link up here in the cards when it's completed, but that'll be later this week. A couple other things I'd like to say unrelated to this video is that on the TechSlugs, we are still having our Engage Me TV promotion. That's going indefinitely. You just earn 10 points for watching Engage Me TV. 1,000 points equals $1. So every 3 video watches, you earn a cent with Engage Me TV. Another thing is that I'm still working on Sync Rewards with Florian, one of our admins over at the Facebook group. It's just another earning website, but how it works is that you earn Satoshis for watching videos, and the value of our points tracks the Satoshi. So you're earning the maximum amount at all times, no matter what the price of Bitcoin is doing. So you can check that out as well. You just get a direct cash out to your Bitcoin wallet. We're looking at other cryptocurrencies too, but that's all we have now. But other than that, that's all I have for this video. So I'll see you guys later, and I guess have fun making money.
Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.